this is only 1 month analysis, and then on weekly time frame you can now see clearly here this area, this last area. First, forget about these two areas here, this one and this one, but then let us first focus here, because the market will start from here in case it will come back to that area. But then also I saw that this area is also too far, and then the next area where the market may come to is here at this support level here. The market trend is going upward, and here, although it tried to go upward, the price came back, and the price, did it come back? The price came and retested this area, okay, this support area, started from here